really nice brown. Oh, here's the egg yolk. And brush. Okay. There you go. She's just going to brush that on. Lightly, I think. And how long, Rosa, does this have to rise?
3-4 ore.
3 or 4 hours?
Sì.
Oh.
Però.
Wow, that's a long time.
Sì.
Okay, so we do know the secret. The secret is when you're stirring the pasta with your fork, you have to get as much air as you can into the batter.
1/4 ora, 20 minuti si deve lavorare la pasta.
So you're supposed to work it for 20 minutes so that you get as much air as you can, and then that will help it to rise when it's in the oven. Yay! Now I know the secret.
È solo che uno, quando fa i dolci, anche quando fa i biscotti, quelli piccoli, bassi, se uno non li cucina subito, lievitano e sono più buoni, non sono secchi, sono più morbidi.
So when you're making cookies or cakes, you make sure that you put the air in with the yeast so that it becomes moist and not dry. I never knew that. That's very interesting. Okay, well, I believe you, Rosa. Okay, so Rosa says that it's not really a secret. It's just that it's when you do it over and over, when you do the same recipe many times and you get experience with that recipe, it becomes the best that you can do, because you've done it so many times. So she says it's not really a secret. So the secret is that you have to do it many times until you get it right. There you go. That's the secret. Practice. Okay, so now she's going to put the decorative little sprinkles on it. So it'll be festive looking. It's growing.
Ok, adesso la mettiamo dentro al forno.
Okay, so do you want to turn this on? No. So she's going to put it inside the oven so that it will rise.
Così
and it's going to be how many hours in there?
3.
3 hours to rise. So we'll be back.
Sì.
You want a little more?
Sì. Ok. Che è più bella.
Yeah.
Perché i dolci ci si mette tutto. Non ci si mette meno zucchero, meno cioccolata, meno... le cose fanno come si deve. È vero?
Yes. Oh, look who's here. Domenico. Buongiorno. Look what we're making.
Cosa state facendo?
La pizza di Pasqua.
We're making pizza di Pasqua.
Prepariamo per il giorno di Pasqua.
Allora, adesso ci mettiamo le uova.
Yeah, we're going to put eggs in it too. So in Italy, they don't go hunting for eggs on Easter. They actually have their eggs in the pasta, in the actual bread. So we're going to color these eggs and put them in. And we put them in raw, which is really strange. And it cooks in the oven along with the bread. And the children eat the eggs, is that right? Do the children eat the eggs? When they're colored in here?
Se ne mangiano i ragazzi.
No, you see.
Sì, io ricordo.
Sì.
Domenico said gotta get in the picture. Domenico said that when he was young, he remembers getting the eggs out of the bread. Okay, so we're gonna color the eggs, and we've got the coloring here. She's just gonna paint it right on.
Forse è meglio il pennellino.
We're gonna have a red one and a yellow one.
Mai visto queste colorano le uova?
You've never seen this kind? Comes from America. Of course.
Lo coloriamo solo metà, Margaret?
She said she's only going to color half of it. Yeah, see, Bene? Because these were from Christmas, so I have red and green.
E dai, facciamo
Ok.
Natale e Pasqua.
Natale Pasqua, she's saying.
Facciamo l'uno e l'altro.
Okay.
Forse devi aprire un po' di più, Margaret.
Open it up a little bit. All right. Let's see if I can get something to open it with. All right. Here we've got a green one. Whoa!
Faccio i pasticci.
This is not cooked. This is a raw egg that they used for this. All right, so we've got, oh, beautiful. They're beautiful.
Ah no, questo non è vero.
Okay, just to show you what this looks like. Okay. All right, now we just need to wait 3 hours for it to rise. Okay, here we are. The bread's in the oven and it's time to take it out. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. There's one. And here's the other one without the eggs. Gorgeous, Rosa. Okay, so we're back and our pizza di Pasqua is finished. It's all cooked. It looks absolutely delicious. Thank you, Rosa. And we have our tester here. Domenico's going to test it to see how it tastes. So go ahead, let's give it a go. Now, pizza di Pasqua is usually served on Easter morning for breakfast, but sometimes people have it for lunch, but usually it's for breakfast. Is that right, Tommy?
Sì, sì.
Oh, we got a small plate with the big pizza.
Perché adesso è
That's
calda.
okay. Wow,
Quando è calda non si taglia bene.
this looks delicious. Here's the inside. Oh, it looks fantastic. I'm going to taste it too. Domenico, you can have a taste over there. So let's see.
Ok.
Devo tagliare? Perché se è un po' freddo si taglia meglio, ma...
Yummy! It's delish! Success!
Buona,
I like it.
grazie Rosa.
Grazie a voi. Grazie a Maria.
Thank you. If you liked our video, go ahead and push like and write us a comment. If you'd like to see more of Rosa cooking, maybe write in the comments what kind of things you'd like to see Rosa cook. Is that okay, Rosa? All right, thank you. Bye, everyone. Don't forget, next time you're looking at going to Italy, come to La Rocca Mia house. Bye.